Hello, this is Minjae Kim.
And I'm Jen Angeli.
반갑습니다. This is our third episode about Qi energy. So Jen, what aspect of Qi are we talking about today?
How about Qi is the key to happiness?
In Korea we say Qi, so Qi is the key to happiness.
Yes.
So by happiness, what are you talking about?
Happiness in all aspects, as in your health, right? And then overall your emotional well-being.
I see.
As well as your connection to your true self.
So your health and also the feeling with your emotions.
Yes.
And also your true self, meaning your spiritual health, spiritual well-being.
Yes.
Okay. Then let's talk about the health first. How does Qi related to health?
So we already mentioned in the previous videos that you can't really be truly happy unless you're healthy, right? Because even though you feel good, you don't. If your body's in pain, always slightly kind of distracted by that.
Right, because health is foundation of everything.
Absolutely.
And when you have lots of energy, lots of Qi, then naturally the circulation of the energy of blood will be better.
Yes.
So you'll be healthy.
Yes, and everything is working well inside the body.
Yeah. And also when you are healthy, then naturally you will have passion to do anything.
Yes. Right. Absolutely.
Yeah. And when you are tired, then you don't want to do anything.
No. Yes. No passion.
Right.
And not only that, but it also affects on how you are relating to other things. You know, like when you're feeling good and then somebody says, hey, let's go do something, then you're like a little bit more, okay. But when you're not feeling good and somebody says it again, then you're like,
yeah, whatever, yeah.
Isn't that one of the core things as far as the three bodies that we need to be connected to and in alignment with?
Three body, you are talking about the physical body, energy body, and spiritual body?
Yes. When you have the energy in your body, it's not only important to have it, but it's also really important to maintain it.
Right. How do you maintain it?
Bringing your awareness back into your body throughout the day.
In Korean, our body is called 몸집.
몸집.
Yes, great. And then 몸 came from maum, that is mind or spirit. And 집 is house. So 몸집, the body, is the home of your spirit or your mind.
So how often are we home?
How often are we outside?
So yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So the longer that you stay outside and you're not coming home, this is kind of like what your body does when you're just going, and your awareness is on everything else around you. So it's almost as if you've left your house and now you're out in the world, and then your body feels like there's no energy here.
No
there's
energy.
No key.
So when you are healthy, then you feel grounded and you feel so stable and you don't feel moody that much.
So it affects the emotions.
It affects emotions.
Yes.
So in this way, the Qi is the key to our emotional health too?
Absolutely. So I think when we don't have enough energy, we become very sensitive to everything. Very sensitive to mostly other people's feelings. It's kind of funny.
Right.
When we become less aware of our own because of our focus, because of not having enough Qi, so naturally you start looking for it. But it's easier to focus on things that you can see versus looking inward. So when we do that, then we're easily just taken by whatever your circumstances are. So if it's already chaotic,
right,
and then you're low in energy, and then you just keep looking at the chaos, sadly, we attract more chaos.
So you are swayed by external environment.
Yes.
When you don't have great energy.
Yeah, because you lose your center. So somebody comes along and you easily get shaken, or your energy somehow interacts with theirs, and then now you've kind of lost your own power.
Yes, while I teach this practice, I have witnessed lots of people changed their character, becoming more generous and accepting and more calm. That means when you have sufficient energy, when your circulation of energy is better, then naturally your behavior will change. So obviously your character will change too.
Yeah, things don't affect you as much, so you can have more compassion. But we also have to look at how we use the energy to ourselves. So when we can have more compassion to ourselves, then naturally we can be more compassionate to even circumstances, not just people.
Then can you say ki is the key to good character?
So ki is the key to your emotions. So we're
Right.
feeling better. We feel good physically. Then emotionally we feel more balanced. And then we don't look so much for blame. We don't blame things so much on our circumstances. We just feel comfortable.
So in that way, can you say that when you don't feel good, then sometimes you don't know what to do. But at that time, you need to check your energy and come back to your body and begin from starting over from feeling your body.
Feeling your body, yes. Coming back into your body.
Come back home.
Breathing. That's how you can feel your body.
Right. And then naturally it affects our spiritual health too.
Yes.
Right? You said your true self.
Yes.
So how does it relate with your chi energy?
So I think when we lose track of our energy, we also forget that we are energy.
We are energy.
We are energy.
Yes.
So when we come back to that, wow, we are energy, that's amazing.
That's amazing.
That's so amazing. But then because we're energy, we can, with more key energy, we naturally become brighter.
Right. Yes.
So when we're brighter, we feel better overall. But now we're at a higher level of understanding many things.
Yes.
So we can understand maybe not necessarily the importance of why things are, but we can accept them a little bit easier. And then naturally we feel more centered. And more amazingly, when you have the physical body, the emotional body, and the spiritual body in alignment, then now you can attract and create the life that you want rather than being swayed by what life kind of throws at you.
I see. So the spiritual body, energy body, and physical body, that means how we think, how we feel, and how we act.
Yes,
So those things should be aligned.
absolutely.
Sometimes we think this way, but we feel that way, and we act totally different way.
Yeah, a lot of times. And sometimes we don't even realize
You
it.
don't even realize it.
Yes, and then
Yes.
you're like, why did I say that?
Yeah.
Why did I have to go there?
So at that time, we need to come back to our body first,
Yes.
and then check the alignment, and then feel the balance of energy, right?
Yeah, awaken your awareness to your own energy and then rebalance it.
Yeah. So we need to remember, come back.
Yeah.
Come back home.
Come back home.
Come back home. Yeah. Why don't we do short exercise to feel home
That sounds good.
and send lots of energy to ourselves?
Ooh, really come home.
Yeah, really come
Really
home.
come home.
Yes. Rub your hands.
Okay.
Let's do it together. And let's clap 30 times fast.
30?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, fast. Fast. And make a fist. Release. Fist. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot do it together.
That's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and shake. Faster. I can still see your hands. Faster. Stop. And have your hands face each other. Bring them closer. And move apart. Closer. And move apart. Relax your body and feel your palms. Relax your shoulders closer and apart. What do you feel between your palms? Can you feel magnetic energy
Yeah.
or tingling sensation?
Feels like there's a little cloud in between my hands.
Right. Do you feel a soft ball type of things? Keep moving your hands closer and apart. Yes, that is the sensation of Qi energy. As you feel Qi energy, don't you notice that you feel calmer and more peaceful?
I notice that my breathing has slowed down and is matching my hands.
That is great. So relax your body and mind and breathe in. Your hands go far away. Breathe out, come closer. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in. You become calmer and calmer. And breathe out. This time, your right hand come to your heart, and then left hand come, stay around your solar plexus area. Don't touch your body. Breathe in. As you breathe in, your hands go apart from your body. Breathe out, and they come closer to your body. Don't touch your body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your nose or mouth. One more time, breathe in. Keep going. Breathe out. Keep moving your hand with your breathing. What do you feel on your palms? What do you feel on your chest and your solar plexus area? Can you feel the magnetic or electric sensation between your body? Send lots of love and gratitude to your body. As you repeat this, elongate your breathing so your movement is becoming naturally slower. You are doing great. And you may feel your eyes become watery and saliva is collecting in your mouth. Your breathing becomes much deeper and slower. Love yourself. Send lots of love and gratitude to your body. Your body has been working for you 24/7. Breathe in. Breathe out. Imagine clear, fresh, healing energy comes from your hand, coming to your heart, chest, stomach, and liver. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last time, breathe in. Breathe out and put both hands on your chest. Close your eyes and feel your body. Feel your chest. Feel the abundant ki energy around your body. Send lots of energy and feel the energy around your body. You are sending lots of energy to your body. You are loving yourself. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stop and sweep down.
Wow, that felt nice.
Did you enjoy the short meditation?
I feel like I'm more home.
Yes, I feel home too. So, please leave a comment and let us know what you felt.
Especially with the energy.
Yes. Remember, ki is the key to happiness. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.